Hey, what's going on, concrete friends? We got leftover concrete and we've got a very special tiny little mold, and we're going to make something beautiful out of just some concrete remnants and a tiny mold that I got from a good friend, a group of good friends who make beautiful things. And then I make beautiful concrete, and together we make beautiful music together. So I took my concrete remnants, I put it into a tiny mold. The only way that you're going to be able to do this at home is if you have tiny molds. You need them. Look at that. In it goes. Look at this huge air bubble coming out. That's an air bubble. Let's get it. Pop. Oh, it was big. That was a lot of air. Oh. Now we're going to let this cure. This is gray matter. It is a magic concrete. Concrete is magic. It is real magic. It is not an illusion. I'm just tapping out the air. Just tap it out. Tap it out. Just tapping it out. Concrete's magic. Why is this gray matter magic? Because we're going to come back in 4 hours. Just 4 hours, folks. And you're going to see what we made with this tiny mold from my very, very good secret friend, secret pen pal, my secret friend. Thanks, everybody. Catch you on the cured side. Hey, concrete friends. We're back on the cured side of this tiny object that we made out of some crusty old concrete nugs. Some leftover nugs of concrete. Don't throw those out. If you ever got nugs of anything, keep them, I think, probably. Nugs are usually good. In most cases. Chicken nugs, gold nugs, concrete nugs, and there's other types of nugs too, but they're good. Oh, this one's tricky to get out. I think I got it. There we go. And what do we have? Ooh, look at this. Amazing. You saw how quick we made this. Look at the beautiful marbling on this thing. You can do it too. Head over to www.concreteconcrete.com. Check out supplies, molds, more info, tutorials, all the stuff. You make little stuff like this. Follow along with me at home and have a ton of fun. Thanks for tuning in, everyone, and we'll talk again. You'll watch another video maybe if this was good enough for you. It's just small. This is a little filler. Little taste when I don't have time to do a big video. This is just a little mini one for you. And for me, it's great. I enjoy making little stuff too. Very satisfying. Spoonful of concrete. Boom. Bye, everybody.